Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the iPhone 11 Pro Smart Battery Case. This is the latest battery case for all of the new iPhones, and it's available for not only the Pro, but the Pro Max and the 11 as well. Now the 11 only comes in two colors, black and white, but the Pro and Pro Max cases come in white, black, and gold. Why Apple only keeps black and white available for the 11 and the 10R and those things, I'm not really sure. But this comes in at a fairly expensive $129, and this is a little bit different than last year's model in that it has a dedicated camera button. So let's go ahead and open it up, and you can see this is the white version. We'll take this out here, and inside it tells you how to put the case on, and then let's see what we've got in here. We've got a little pamphlet with some information. It just says Smart Battery Case. Gives you information on how to put it on, and then you've got regulatory compliance and the Apple warranty card. So let's set this aside. And the case itself has a microfiber lining inside. Looks like you've got a little bit of a hole here for some of the microphones, or maybe even a breather hole. You've got lightning here, and then you've got holes for the microphones and speakers, as well as your lightning cable on the bottom. Now this does have NFC and will wirelessly charge, and it will also fast charge if you use the fast charger that came with your iPhone 11 Pro. You've got your normal buttons on each side, so let's go ahead and place it on an iPhone 11 Pro Max, or 11 Pro rather. So just slide it in like this, and pop it on the top here. Now the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max already get amazing battery life, but this will give you an additional 50% on top of that. So maybe you're getting 10 hours of screen on time. In addition to that, you will now get maybe 15 or so. So it says up to 50% more. You can charge both phones while in the case. I'll show you that in a moment. And the nice thing is it will give you the status of both batteries. If I swipe over here, go to my widgets, you'll see that the smart battery case is actually at 11%. The phone is at 67%. Right now, it's draining the smart battery case to fill the phone up. Once it's drained, it will just leave the battery case drained, and it always makes sure the phone is filled first. Now let's take a look at this dedicated camera button, because you should be able to press it and then open the camera right away. So let's see if we can press it. We'll long press it. There we go. It did take a couple tries sometimes. The first time I tried it, it came right open. And then the second time, it didn't work right away. Now you click it once to take a photo. So we just click once and take a photo. If we hold it for a little bit, it will take one of the quick record videos. As soon as we let go, it stops recording. So again, click to take a photo, click and hold, and it will start recording a little movie here. And then if we let go, it stops. Now, if you're already in the Photos app or the Camera app, you can still use it for video or whatever you'd like. So if you press it, it will record video. Now, you could have just used the volume buttons before, but they decided to do it this way. Now, as soon as I place the phone on the charger, it will give me a status of the batteries. So you can see, I just took a screenshot so you could see, but it just gives you your smart battery case and your iPhone and how it's charged. So you'll get this either way when it's plugged in charging or charging with wireless chargers. Now finally, I wanted to see if this would work with, say, an iPhone 10 with that dedicated camera button. So let's go ahead and try it anyway and see if it will work. So here's an iPhone 10. You can tell by the speaker grills. And now the phone works well with this case, but the buttons are slightly off. So it works fine. You can press them. But if you look at the silent switch, you'll see it's slightly shifted. So just keep that in mind if you want to use this. Now, finally, I have played around with this a little bit, and the button actually does work with the iPhone 10. So if I press it, you'll see it open the camera app, push it to record, stop. If I hit photos, I can press it once and take a photo. If I hold it, I get a bunch of photos. So it will just keep shooting and giving me more and more photos. Now, whether or not you need a smart battery case really depends on your daily usage and how much you use your phone. I'm not so sure you really need that much battery, but if you need 15 plus hours of screen on time and you don't have access to a charger throughout the day or regularly, get the battery case, and this will keep you charged for quite a long time. Maybe you're going to a convention, something like that. This would do. But let me know what you think about the new battery case in the comments below. The price may be a little bit high for some people, but let me know what you think about that as well. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.